welcome to the team.
Thank you. Good evening, all. Welcome to Goal Setting Masterclass organized by the Self Leadership Academy. My name is Maulia Shetty, your host for today. At the Self Leadership Academy, our mission is to create conscious leaders by training and coaching people in life skills. Friends, setting a goal and developing focus on it is one of the most important life skill to achieve in our life. Today, I invite Rutuja to conduct webinar on this vital topic. Rutuja, she comes with an experience of coaching 100 plus clients and training 3000 plus people. She is the founder of the Self Leadership Academy, ICF certified life coach, brain design expert, emotional wellness coach, and one of my favorite human being. I heartily welcome you, Rutuja. Please take over.
Thank you for that lovely introduction, Malia. And I love the part, your favorite human being. I love to be your favorite human being. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for starting this session with such a cheerful vibe. And I just want to say that, this would be the final workshop that I'm conducting in the year 2024. So it's definitely going to be very special. And it's also special because I can see many people who have joined after a long time. Like I can see Priya again, and I can see Hema after a very long time. I remember she was there during our women empowerment meetings, and now she is here again. So before we go ahead, I'll just set few ground rules that we will follow. That we will be keeping our discussions very short, like very precise and to the point, because we want to make the best use of our time today, and also give chance to everybody for speaking. Okay, so we are going to keep our discussions very precise, and then all the questions that you have at the end of today's training, I will answer all the questions. So let's start. And before we go ahead, I just want to understand your intention to coming to today's workshop in one or two sentences. Who wishes to go forward? Priya, do you want to? Because I can sense a smile.
It's a chance to interact with you, such a nice human being. That is first reason. And sharing the knowledge and how to structure the goal, that is uh, uh, scientific method, to understand the scientific method behind that.
Yes, and I love the word that you use, the scientific method, because once you've understood the brain science and how it works, the neuroscience behind it, you will be in the better position to set these goals and follow these goals. So,
Yes, because many of us we
mm,
decide, but actually proper procedure if we followed na, then it will be the good. Process is very important.
yes, and this is the core issue. Even when we are coaching, that's what I've seen, that we know all the information, but then how to be accountable and how to be consistent is that discussion. Yes. So how,
Yes.
yeah. So now, Shamsa, what is your intention?
Rutuja, my intention is simple because for this whole month of December, I have been trying to figure out the things. How should I plan my uh, career goals and all those things? Because I have been in the situation where I'm really very confused about the things are going on in my mind. So if I get that, then that's
So
the
we
one.
want to move from confusion to clarity. That's one of
Yeah.
the intentions. And Hima, how about you? You are on mute, Hima. Okay, by the time should we go to Vaishnavi? I think Hima has dropped off and she may rejoin. Vaishnavi, how about you? Are you traveling back from work or are you in office?
Yes, just now I came.
Okay, just now you came from office. What is your
No,
intention?
not
Yeah,
I went outside. That's
yeah, today is Sunday, today no
Sunday.
office.
Yeah.
But see, I have my office going on Sunday now.
Yeah, you are lucky.
I am lucky, yes, truly, because this doesn't feel like office.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's your intention, Vaishnavi?
That I have some goals, but I have not settings means how when to do when to execute, and I want a planning. So for that,
Yes. So you want a plan. So you know
yeah,
what to do, but you want a plan. Oh,
yeah.
yeah. Is Hema back? Yeah, Hema.
Yeah, Rituja. Hello, how are you after a long time?
Good. And after a
It's
very long time.
yeah. So nice to see everyone. I had basically joined because in between I was occupied with my personal things, and my in-laws were not keeping well, so I had taken a break. Now I am very happy to be back and join a community with a positive mindset. And I
Hmm.
want 2025 to start with a new beginning, with the clarity, and I want to get focused to what I really want to do, because I have many plans, but I'm not able to execute in the way I wanted to do it. So that's the reason I'm again back with the same energy and to be a part of your tribe.
Yeah. Thanks, Hema. Thanks for coming. I'm very happy to see you, and I'm very happy to see all of you, back. And there are only, very few people. This energy is of celebration. It is New Year. People are partying, and there are very few people who would want to talk about goals and goal setting in this environment. But I was like, I'm anyways going to do it because your vibe attracts your tribe. So when I put this intention out that I want to talk about goal setting and focus, people who really need it and want it and are vibing with that are going to come and join. Okay, so that was my intention, and exactly, I got those kind of people who exactly want to work on these things. So take the best out of these, this workshop. And if you do not understand certain terms, because we are going to go into the neurological aspect of it, थोड़ा सा basic biology है, but you can ask, okay? और मुझे जहाँ तक पता है, I have been a very keen student of biology. मम्मी का सुन के अच्छा मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बनी. Otherwise I have taken a turn from doctor to becoming a life coach. That would have been very difficult. But yeah, जितना मुझे पता है, I'll try to explain my best. So all the techniques that I'm sharing today, I've learned from my own experience of coaching, my own experience of going from a very confused and an anxious person to somebody who is focused, and all the researches that I have read about performance and productivity. So these three other sources of what I'm going to teach and what we are going to learn. So everybody can go on mute, and once I am done explaining certain things and we have a discussion, you all can unmute and ask questions. Okay, so you all know the vision and all of the Self Leadership Academy. We are here to help you find your right direction, to grow in a holistic way through the programs that we deliver. Hence, we are directly going to jump to the topic. Now, the biggest issue starts with that, are you able to see yourself? Like, how do you see yourself? Okay, the brain, if you see, a basic structure of the brain, okay, there is a part that is responsible for logic, and there is a part which is responsible for emotion and artistic things. Okay, so these are the two lobes of the brain. For some people, the logical part is very dominant. How do you know that? The moment somebody says something, and if you go a little skeptical about it, okay, skeptical मतलब अच्छा इसका क्या कैलकुलेशन है, मतलब उसका तुरंत हिसाब किताब अगर शुरू हो जाता है आपके मन में, then you are more of a logical person most of the time. Okay, and if you're a person, the moment somebody says something, you feel something first, and then you move to the logic, then your emotional side of the brain is taking over. Nothing is wrong. Okay, and we function from different lobes at different times. For example, now I know Navpreet is my friend. Okay, so when Navpreet will say something, so I will first not approach it with a logical set of mind. I may take it first emotionally because we are attached. Okay, so in different scenarios also we employ different set of our brain capabilities. So what happens is that if your self image is not positive, if your self image is like, I'm a lazy person, I am a procrastinator, I am a confused person, agar aapne aisa label lagaya hai, first of all, then what happens is that you try to justify that own label with your actions, and this happens very unconsciously. और यू से कि आई एम अ वेरी ओवरवेल्म्ड पर्सन, मैं हमेशा मतलब गड़बड़ गड़बड़ में ही रहती हूँ या रहता हूँ, वेरी एंशियस, तो आप जो भी लेबल लगाते हो ना, आपका ब्रेन उसको सच करता है, क्योंकि आपके ब्रेन के लिए वो लेबल बड़ा सेफ लेबल है, इट्स वेरी सेफ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ somebody calls me Rutuja, I respond, right? And if somebody calls me, let's say Molya, I won't respond because that's not my name. My brain knows it because I've called Rutuja so many times. I have been called. So if I call myself and if I keep calling myself as lazy, confused, anxious, then my brain will believe it. And this is the basic rule of NLP. What you tell your brain, your mind, it believes it. So, first thing is we are going to remove these labels. If you have learned how to set goals and how to achieve them, तो lazy आप नहीं रहे हो anymore. And we will talk about laziness a little bit more कि ये develop कैसे होता है, and it's not bad at all. Okay, so removing those labels are important. When you change the action, your identity will also change. So no identity is permanent. Okay, let's say you all decided कि आज से ऋतुजा का नाम प्रिया होगा. Okay, and you all started to call me Priya. Okay, so Priya part one and Priya part two. So then what will happen is that, this will be my new identity. So we can shift your identities. So first thing is that your self image has to be positive. Okay, I remember Molya once I told her, okay, intern bolne ke baad how it feels, when you are doing an internship, how it feels. And how do you feel when you call yourself a founder? And her energy just shifted. She had witnessed it during one of the sessions. It just shifted just by shifting the label that you put on yourself, right? So that is the first point, that your self image needs to be positive. How do you look at yourself? It needs to be positive. So rather than giving your examples कि इस पूरे साल में आप कब कब inconsistent थे, if you are moving to 2025, just make a mental note of the places where you were able to stay consistent. Okay, and then comes my favorite part, which is self efficacy. Self efficacy means how efficient you are on your own. Okay, so if your thinking is much more than action, okay, for example, let's say you plan a lot and you don't act that much, then your self efficacy is very low. Self efficacy goes high when you do some amount of thinking, then you take action, then you do some amount of thinking, and then you take action. Because thinking is a process in which a lot of your brain's energy is already drained. Because you see, your brain is just like a processor of a computer. You are giving it data, it's processing, you're giving it data, it's processing, but after that data is processed, you need to go and do some action. Otherwise you're going to just feel overwhelmed. And how a system hangs, have you seen computer systems hang? You will also hang. Okay, so one rule that we will need to make is that the thinking and the action proportions, we will try to make it more of balanced. Okay, so whenever I'm coaching somebody whose thinking is way more than actions, what we do baby steps. We set goals in baby steps, we achieve them, and then we give ourselves a lot of self appreciation. I've talked about self appreciation in YouTube videos, in every coaching session, and all of that. Self appreciation is simple, kind words to yourself. For example, if you have come for today's session, and tonight when you're going to sleep and you are just journaling, you can say, I appreciate you, Priya, for attending this session because it was so beneficial for you, right? So appreciating yourself for very small things that you do. Let's say you bought a very cute stationery item for yourself, like I bought this is an eraser. So so if you got that for yourself, you can appreciate yourself for this. Now you'll say what a silly thing it is, what does it do to your brain? It's not silly. By doing this, what you're doing, by doing the self appreciation, you're increasing your self efficacy. Definitely, you're also increasing your self image. Okay, so this exercise is tried and tested on most of my clients. So, how many of you have done this exercise with me and you have seen results of consistency that I'm able to? Navpreet, Molya, how about you? Am I going too fast? Okay, you're on mute. Okay, no problem. You can be on mute. Priya, you want to say anything, or you're raising that you've tried self
Yes, yes, yes. I want to ask one question.
Hmm.
If our surrounding is not supported to the positive self image,
Hmm.
then what to do?
Yes, very important question. And I'll address it shortly
Okay.
as soon as I finish this. And it's a very important point that I have, included in our discussion today. It is one of the factors that plays a vital role. So this is there, the self-efficacy part, and how to make those actions possible. We are also going to study the step-by-step processes. Now our brain is constantly doing an evaluation between how much resources are available with me and what are the required amount of resources. Now most of the time, let's say you are tired. Okay, your brain is actually feeling tired. You have scrolled on social media for 4 5 hours, let's say, or you have actually had a very difficult day to go through. Then what you will feel is that my available resources are very less and the required resources are pretty more. So let me not do it right now, I'll do it later on. And for all the people, who have experienced a lot of overwhelm, you have been feeling lazy for a very long period of time, your brain has learned this formula: I never have the resources to do what I want to do. How many of us have this belief that I never have the resources for what I want to do? Right? So is it a belief or is it a truth? Anybody, any comments? This statement that I never
Be-
have a
It
resource.
is it is a
Hmm.
belief. It's
Belief.
not truth.
Yeah, yeah.
For me, somewhat it's belief, somewhat it's truth too. It's middle of both of them.
So, what is the resource which is always there in our control? What is that one resource जिसके ऊपर किसी और का कंट्रोल एज सच इतना ज्यादा नहीं है जितना अपना होता है?
Me.
Okay, we are the subject. Okay, we are not the, so हमारा resource.
Okay.
Our
Mind.
mind, our mind.
Mind. Okay.
Mind, my imagination,
Yes.
my creativity. Um, yes, and my resourcefulness. I would say resource is resourcefulness only. Like even if I don't have the exact resources, I will make it happen with some other alternatives. I mean, I can always think about some alternatives if I
Yes.
really,
I,
really want to do that.
Yes.
I think ability to take action.
Ability to take action is in our hands, and sometimes we may also not get the results of our actions, right? So what is that one thing which is most of the time, we have our control over it? All of these things are their mind, but sometimes, as you all said, कि दूसरों का भी हमारे mind के ऊपर आ ही जाता है projection. Even if we are life coaches, हम लोग सीख रहे हैं, but हमको फर्क पड़ता ही है. ऐसा नहीं है कि 100% कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है at some level. So what is that?
Mindset,
Yeah,
my
mindset.
perspective of looking at a particular situation. I mean,
Yes.
I
Navpreet has
can,
actually touched a very good point, and I'll come to that. But what I'm talking about here is, mindset is definitely there. Very important element is mindset. And even Priya said our mind is in our hands, and mindset is exactly how you frame your mind. And the resource that I'm talking about is time. Because everybody has got equal 24 hours in their life. Even if you do a job, you have committed yourself to the job. So you have said कि मैं मेरे दिन के 6 या 9 घंटे I'm going to spend in this job. So this is one element that can really make you feel that you are in charge of your life. Our biggest fear as human beings, most of us, is that we don't have control over things. And we always feel that I should have control over my life, right? It's okay to feel that because there is fear as well of losing control over things. But time is a resource on which you have your control. So, one thing, which one advice I got very beautiful in 2024. So, this person told me that, this year, uh, you must know how did you spend your every minute, every hour. I'm not saying you should work 24 hours, but are you happy with the way you have spent your time? And today I can really say on this workshop that I'm very happy with the way I spent my 2024. You know, even if there were times when I may not have felt very good about the results, there were times I felt phenomenal about the results. There were times when I enjoyed picnics. There were times when I, felt very lonely. All of that happened, like, if you take a year ki jisme sab kuch hota hai, so it was like that. But I have no resentment this year. अब मुझे ना किसी से कोई शिकायत नहीं है, अब इट्स वेरी फिल्मी, बट इट्स लिटरली दैट काइंड ऑफ अ ईयर फॉर मी, बिकॉज माई ऑल फोकस वॉज मेरे 24 घंटे मैंने कैसे स्पेंड किए, right? So if that is the focus with which you can enter your 2025, it would be a different experience altogether. And next, coming to the next resource, which is your mindset. Like Navpreet said, choosing to be resourceful. क्योंकि आपके पास ना कुछ ऐसा सबके पास होता है जो आपसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता, and that is your resource. There is something which is there in each one of you which nobody can take away from you, and that is your resource. I'll just tell a short scene that happened in my life. I was praying to God in front of, in our temple, and my mother is like, what are you asking for? You've got everything. खुद ही बोल रही थी, you have such a good parent, such a good house, or business भी अच्छा चल रहा है, अभी और क्या चाहिए? So I said her one thing, man, I have never asked God for anything but one thing, that whenever I speak anything, let that voice be either guiding somebody, or showing them the truth, or uplifting them. Okay, because I feel this is one of the resources जो मुझसे कोई नहीं ले सकता. The like, Molly was saying that you're a good human being, somebody said you're a warm human being. So वो communication की वजह से ही है, speech की वजह से है, right? So that is my resource. If I ask you all कि आपके पास ऐसा क्या है जो आपसे कोई नहीं ले सकता, what is it? You can write in the chat, or you can unmute and speak. Like, raise your hands and I can call out your names so that we can go in a systematic way. Yes, Sham से बताइए.
Empathy, my ability to motivate anyone.
Yes.
May I please get the question again?
What is it, Nafreet, that nobody can take away from you? Your resource. Which resource?
Okay, it can be any of. Acha.
Chal.
Yeah, Priya.
Healing and calm and communication. These are healing,
Yes.
calmness and communication.
Yes, your healing, calm vibes, and communication. And I experienced it during, our conversation on YouTube, and up comments padna, of course, maybe logo ne bola hai. So yeah, those vibes nobody can take away. Swalia says her ability to never give up.
Thanks.
Yeah, Priya. And Swalia says, my confidence, my resilience, my empathy, my courage. Very good. Navpreet ne likha hai ye. My confidence, my resilience, empathy, and courage. Yeah, so these are your values, these are your resourcefulness. Molya, what can somebody not take away from you? Hema, I'm waiting for your answer as well, but let's ask. Acha, Molya is off screen. Hema, how about you?
Hi. Uh, I feel that one thing is being empathetic, and the other thing is the way I love dance. No one can take this from me.
You love for dance.
Yeah.
हमारी community में ना बहुत dancers आ गए हैं. I have to take a session जिसमें I will be a participant, and Molya, and there is Megha and Navpreet. आप लोग dance करवाओगे.
Sure.
Yes. That would be very interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, Rituja, I just wanted to add कि everywhere I go, people say that you are a giver and a very loving and very kind person. So I love when the people say कि I am loving and I also want to be loved. So that is the main thing. I'm always a giver. I believe in giving.
That's beautiful. And I think it's also a big compliment to receive from people that you are loving and you are giving and you're kind. So these are the resources, and that, that very calm and warmth is a feeling that I'm also sensing in this session. Like the moment if somebody enters as a new participant, the first feeling that they will feel here is a lot of warmth. I think we have a room full of healing vibes people today. So that's what I am feeling as well. So these are the resources, guys, that nobody can take away from you. So whenever your brain goes into that mode that I don't have enough resources to do this thing, you just have to give a reminder to your brain. And if you're really exhausted and you really need rest, go rest. Rest is never a bad thing. I think this year taught me that rest is never, never a bad thing. And that is why I say, I was saying to a lot of people, because this year I also got to coach people where, they were stuck in very difficult situations in life. And I said that even this year, if you were able to move through life, you have achieved a lot. You have achieved a lot. So we don't need to compare ki last mein kisne kya kiya kaise kiya, because our journeys are so different. So that time you really need to rest in those cases. But in these cases where your brain is actually making you कि नहीं नहीं बहुत डर लग रहा है, I don't want to go forward and take that action. मुझे नहीं करना YouTube video post, मुझे नहीं करना post, I don't want to build any kind of online community. That time you can tell your brain, let's say Priya wants to do something online, but her brain is saying नहीं नहीं हमारे पास अभी इतना experience नहीं है, resources नहीं है. So प्रिया क्या करेगी, प्रिया याद दिलाएगी अपने ब्रेन को कि my vibes are healing. प्रिया याद दिलाएगी कि मैंने ऋतुजा के यूट्यूब पे जब वीडियो बनाया था तो इतने सारे कमेंट्स आए थे, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आए थे, पीपल आर सेइंग सो मेनी गुड थिंग्स. सो दैट्स हाउ शी इज गोइंग टू टेल हर ब्रेन दैट रिसोर्सेस आर देयर. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ब्रेन की कैलकुलेशन अनफेयर हो जाती है. एंड स्पेशली इफ यू आर राइट ब्रेन डोमिनेटेड, थोड़े से इमोशनल आप ज्यादा हो, तो आप हमेशा इस चीज का सुनोगे कि आपका इमोशन उस टाइम पे कैसा है. पॉजिटिव है तो बहुत बड़े बड़े एक्शंस, नहीं है बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं. एंड आई यूज टू ऑपरेट इन दिस जोन अ लॉट. बट देन आई हैव अंडरस्टूड, ठीक है, आज अगर 10x एनर्जी है तो हमें एटलीस्ट 9x या 8x काम करना है. आज अगर 5x ही एनर्जी है तो 4x 3x कर लेंगे. बट इतना रोज थोड़ा 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 करना है, एंड यूल सी द कंपाउंडिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इट. नाउ फॉर दिस, इफ यू आर अ पर्सन हु गेट्स ओवरवेल्म्ड वेरी इजीली, ओवरवेल्म मतलब घबरा जाना, ऐसे लगना कि बहुत काम आ गया है, और उस टाइम पे क्या होता है ना, हम और जल्दी करने की कोशिश करते हैं और उसी टाइम पे काम खराब होता है. इस टाइम में जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स चाहती थी ना कि जल्दी जल्दी खत्म हो जाए, विच वर नॉट कोचिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, दे वर वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स जो मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रही थी, वो उतना ही टाइम लगा रहे थे खत्म होने में. So the moment you pay more attention to it and give it more space to breathe, you will also be able to calm down your own mind and calm down your own brain. So here, if you're a person like that, मैंने जो खुद के लिए किया and it works for me is that making and working on longer timelines. Longer timelines मतलब मैंने बोला कि I want to coach at least 100 clients over the 2 years or over 3 years. Now it's a realistic goal. या फिर I want to coach 3 clients over 6 months or 7 months. Okay. So you have to give your brain a challenge that it can do a little bit more challenging. आपका ambition बहुत बड़ा हो सकता है. So ambition will work on longer timelines. So my ambition is, let's say, coaching maybe 300 people in the next 2 years. वो ambition है, वो बड़ा है. But अगर मुझे next 6 months के लिए decide करना है, मैं 10-12 clients का goal रख सकती हूँ. Right, to reach out to this number of people. So you will be setting your goals like this. हम बोलते हैं that in SMART goals, if you have heard about the SMART framework, वो हर जगह हर टाइम अप्लाई नहीं होता, but SMART का जो S है, that stands for specific. And this is how you will be specific, because your brain needs very very clear instructions. Let's say अगर आप कोई computer run कर रहे हो and if you don't give it very clear instructions, then it doesn't know what to do. So first is ambition. Ambition will be on a longer timeline. Then you will have something that you can achieve on a short term basis. और फिर उसको daily basis पे कैसे लेके आना है would be our next discussion. So this is how you will always help your brain make a fair calculation, okay, of your available resources and required resources. So we are going to go and definitely talk about ki daily basis पर क्या करना है. But before that, I just want to know from you all that what do you want to achieve in the year 2025? And before you tell it to me, I just want you to write those things down. Okay, if you have a pen and paper, let's write down everything that you want to achieve or do. Maybe it's not always about achievement, sometimes it's about experiences. So you can actually write what you want to experience. Okay, so we have how many, 5 minutes, and we will then share our writings after the 5 minutes. I'm also writing with you all. Okay, so are we ready for sharing? Vaishnavi has written mindful morning routine, understanding myself, and financial progress. Good, Vaishnavi. I just want you to, when you say financial progress, I want you to write down exact amounts. And everybody who has written a financial goal, you don't have to share the amount with me, but write the amount. Okay, who's ready to share? Yes, Shamsa, you can go ahead.
I haven't specified a particular amount, but what I have written is I'm going to experience financial freedom.
Hmm.
Along with I want to find a person with I whom I can connect anytime without the without having the fear of judgment. And number three, I'm also going to work on my physical health to get fit physically and mentally.
Very good. Very, very good goals. And who else wants to share?
I just didn't want to use the word want. I just
Hmm.
wanted to use something more positive, more realistic. As in they say, don't use word want if you want to manifest something. So going is a is about being in action.
Yes. And I'll tell you that, if you haven't worked on the deeper aspects of it, these words don't matter so much. आप want बोलो या I am बोलो, but आपका internal कैसा है? Do you really feel resourceful as a person to earn money? Will determine whether you earn money, and we'll talk a little bit about it at the end of the discussion. But it's very good. It's good to write, I am statements, but internal work is more important. Anyone else wishes to share?
Yes.
Yes, Napreet.
Okay, so my first goal for 2025 is to acquire a good position as an academic administrator, and I'm expecting a salary between 92 lakh per month, which is my goal to get this. And then I already shared it with you that I'm going to make my platform official. Hopefully, in the first week of Jan, it will go official, and I look forward to earn a revenue double the amount that I have paid
Hmm.
to acquire to buy that portal. So
Yes.
that is my aim, and that also within I would say coming till August September. I'm expecting that should happen. I mean, I don't want to use the word should, as you always ask me not to do that. So I take utmost care, but कभी कभी ना जाता है. So yes, I should be able to. I mean, I must be able to do that. And then coaching. Uh, I am expecting I should. I mean, I must take up 50 people this year, though I haven't written the revenue for that. But my aim is reaching out to 50 people as clients for my coaching.
That's the best kind of aim that you have set for yourself. It's very good. And I just want to read out Swalia's goals. She's written very specifically that she wants to lose this amount of weight and reach this weight by this timeline, and all and all. I'll talk about these in little more details. It's very good. And Navri, the moment you get promoted as the academic head, I want a party.
Definitely, definitely. But all of you just keep your fingers crossed within this month or two. I will be there.
Yes, that's really nice. Who else wishes to share?
Rutuja, I just want to share something. As I said, I was not in being touched because of the personal reason. So this
Hmm.
year, I want to be more focused and I want to be consistent by prioritizing self. Because, like I said, I am more of a giver and I never expect anything for myself and I keep on doing for others. And I analyze that there are certain things which I want to do, but I am not able to find that space for myself. So I want to be very specific this year, irrespective of balancing everything, whether it is professional or personal. I want to prioritize myself also, and whatever things I have wanted for my own growth, I would like to be consistent and take baby steps, as you said, little baby steps. And last year, to be very frank, I don't want to be naming any coach. I went to somebody where I had a vision of becoming a life coach, and as I'm a teacher, and I have Actually, I'm very inclined of, like, always being to teach something, whether it is regarding life or experience or sharing anything which will add value to people in any way where I can contribute to, like, community and society in a way I can. So I wanted, and the coach name I would not tell. Maybe I would be looking forward to be joining your coaching program. So there, maybe I will share it there.
Yeah.
Then, because in the community, I don't want this to be like, there was
So
certain, yeah. So when I saw your book, and there was a spark in me, being such a young person, when she could do it with so much of life experience, why I do not write a book? And I had that urge, and by
out over here. I'm so sorry to do that. I would love to keep listening to you. But I just
yeah,
want to say that, we have come a full circle because 2 years ago, during this time, I finished writing and I didn't know a voice that is very critical in my head. I just said that, who are you to write a book at the age of 22 and what are you going to do? And I chose to not listen to that voice and just write, like you said, that it just comes, and you don't know what you end up igniting in others by embodying who you are as a person. So something from my creativity got ignited in Hema's creativity. It will get ignited in somebody else's, and today everybody who has gotten inspiration or is already in the process, write your books, not for the world, but it is a healing process for yourself as well. So I will talk to you more, Hema, about it definitely.
yeah, definitely I'll be joining your sessions, and I'll be taking the life coaching because I would like to go online. I have been very specific that age is a number. I feel age is a number. If you have something to give to the humanity and to this planet Earth, we should go and give it to the people who really require. And I would like to break that barrier ki you also can teach, so why don't you become a life coach and go online? So that is the thing which I would look forward this year.
Sure. So we will do that definitely. And now, to everybody who has written about the goals, I have some commentary to make on certain goals. Now, I'm not pointing out like, a very strict teacher, but something that I have learned from my own experience. Okay. There is one thing that you set goals on the results. ठीक है, जैसे हम लोगों ने किया ऑन द फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स कि एक एक अमाउंट लिखा है. आई हैव रिटन एन अमाउंट, नवप्रीत मेंशनड एन अमाउंट, श्याम सर might have also mentioned the amount. In terms of finances, this is good, okay, because there are no as such biological factors involved in it. But when it comes to things like your health, or Swalia ne likha, it's good to be specific. Yeah, I want to reach this weight. But when it comes to your health, when the goals are set on processes, that is the time when you are able to measure your consistency. Let's say आपने ये गोल सेट किया और ये मेरे साथ ये साल ना पूरा टाइम हुआ है. Initially, there are two reasons why I used to work out. One is that I have a sheer joy of lifting weights. I love to lift weights. And second thing, initially this year, I was experiencing a lot of body shaming from the women around me only, and I went to gym with that shame. And I used to stand on the weighing scale every week, every 2 weeks. And my experience of going to the gym was completely different in both the cases. Then I understood ki ek point ke baad na, that this is not the experience that I want when I want to achieve my goals. So there are two ways to go behind your goals. Either you go by shame or you go by the joy of doing things. The choice is yours. If you want to go by the joy of doing things, be process oriented and set the goals on the process. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा शेम या पुश चाहिए तो देन यू कैन गो इन दैट वे कि नहीं, मुझे मैंने ना आफ्टर द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दिस ईयर आई डोंट वांट टू गेट स्लिम. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी हाउ आई एम फीलिंग इन माय बॉडी. एंड माय गोल इज क्या, ऐसा नहीं कि अच्छा आप ओबीज हो तो आपने कुछ होना ही नहीं चाहिए, कोई शर्म ही नहीं होनी चाहिए, ऐसा भी नहीं है. आई हैव सेट अ गोल दैट आई विल बी गोइंग 3 or 4 times फॉर द स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग, मतलब वेट लिफ्टिंग, और एक बार मैं कार्डियो करके आऊंगी. और अगर ये मैं कर लेती हूँ, मतलब मैं मेरा एक्सरसाइज गोल अचीव कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू सेट द गोल्स ऑन द प्रोसेस. हम लोगों ने भी सोशल मीडिया में भी, श्याम सर ने ये देखा होगा कि हम लोगों ने ऐसे सेट किया है कि हम लोग वीक में 4 रील्स करेंगे और 2 पोस्ट करेंगे. ओके, और अगर हम अभी व्यूज और फॉलोअर्स पे अगर हम लोग अभी गोल सेट करेंगे ना, तो हमारी सारी टीम डिसअपॉइंट हो जाएगी और हम लोग कंसिस्टेंट रहेंगे ही नहीं. एज आई सेड, यहाँ पे लॉन्गर टाइमलाइंस काम करती है, वेर देर आर बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व, वेर देर आर एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स लाइक Instagram का algorithm and how long is it going to take to catch things up, right? So on these cases of longer timelines, to keep yourself consistent for a longer period of time, you need to set goals on the process. Okay, so how will you do that? You will be doing it on a day to day basis. Okay, so this is there. Okay, so this is my favorite tool to set goals. Okay, जब से मुझे ये टूल मिला है, आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी प्लानर, कुछ भी मैं यूज नहीं करती, एंड मैंने शायद ये कोचिंग सेशन में ऑलमोस्ट बहुत लोगों को सिखाया है. And what do you do? How do you use? Is that you do it one day before. तो अगर मुझे कल के लिए सेट करना है, I'll be setting the goals one night before or in the afternoon, late afternoon में, maybe at night. Sometimes our brain is like all hanged up. तो afternoon में हम लोग set करेंगे. How do you use this? All the clutter that is there in your mind, which we call as confusion, we are going to write it over here. और इसमें भी ना मैं to do list की तरह I write it like 1, 2, 3, 4, all of it. I'm going to pick up 3 professional priorities and 3 personal commitments. अब मेरे personal commitments इतने ज़्यादा नहीं होते, but you may have, if you have children, उनके school जाना है या उनको कुछ है, उनके exams related है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? So you choose those and you write down as priorities. If you have noted your priorities, then you schedule your priorities first. Okay, so if your priority was to study, let's say something related to life coaching, or your priority was to go and attend certain session or take certain session, first you note those things down in your calendar, और फिर बाकी की चीजें. और ये जो priorities है ना, वो होनी important है. Now what is the best use of this? Night में आपने set किया, next morning as you get up, your decision making fatigue is reduced. और जितने भी लोग anxious है, थोड़े से overwhelmed है ना, they will notice that we have a lot of decision making fatigue. कि अभी क्या करना है, अच्छा अभी फिर breakfast में क्या बनाऊं, या फिर lunch में क्या बनाऊं, dinner में क्या बनाऊं, हमारा तो इसमें ही बहुत सारा time चला जाता है, right? So maybe you can use this to do that as well. तो फिर पता है, जैसे आई हैव सीन माय मदर्स एंड नानी, आई कम फ्रॉम अ लिटिल साउथ इंडियन बैकग्राउंड, तो वो रात को ही दाल एंड ऑल भिगो के रखेगी इडली बनाने के लिए, एंड देयर स्केड्यूल्स आर कि दूसरे दिन डिसीजन मेकिंग फटीग होता ही नहीं है, राइट? बिकॉज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आईज, और 3 काम है. मे बी यू कैन टेक 2 प्रोफेशनल, 2 पर्सनल, अगर बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग हो रहा है तो, बट यू डू द स्मॉल 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 थिंग्स एवरी सिंगल डे. Jaiसे Nafreet is already working, and she's also building maybe side में her platform and all of those things. तो उसके लिए भी उनको एक अलग से slot निकालना पड़ेगा अपने दिन का, जिसमें वो काम कर सकती है. और मुझे भी even I may be very exhausted after work, जब मैं IT में काम करती थी, मुझे evening में वो slot निकालना ही पड़ता था जिसमें मैं coaching related कुछ सीख सकूं, कुछ कर सकूं. So all of those things are very important. And that is why saying no becomes very important for your energy. क्योंकि अगर you are saying yes 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 to all the priorities, जैसे I had this thing scheduled 6 to 8, और संडे के दिन बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स का फोन आता है कि आ जाओ, बाहर जा रहे हैं, या फिर समवन सेज कि नहीं नहीं आज ही हमारे कॉलोनी में ये फंक्शन डिसाइड हुआ है, और प्लीज टेक मी टू द टेम्पल, मेरे साथ चलो. वैसे भी तुम क्या करती हो, घर से काम करती हो, maybe I can hear that. वैसे भी you work from home, there is no boss on your head, you are the boss. बट ऐसे नहीं होता, राइट? सो जब आप वो नो बोलना सीखते हो उनको, जो भी लोग हैं उनको, और हमेशा नहीं, वी कैन से जैसे 6 to 8 मेरा बिजी है तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि 8 बजे के बाद या 6 बजे के पहले बताओ, मैं कर दूंगी, ठीक है, बट 6 से 8 मुझे ये चीज करनी है, राइट? तो वो करना हमें सीखना पड़ेगा. और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई थिंक दिस इज, लड़कों पे भी वैलिड है, बट आई थिंक इट्स मोर इन वुमेन कि नहीं, ये तो मेरे से एक्सपेक्टेड ही है. मतलब ऐसा एक अजम्पशन के साथ चलते हैं हम लोग कि नहीं, ये तो आई हैव टू डू दिस, otherwise I'm not a good daughter, a good wife, a good son-in-law, daughter-in-law, son-in-law. फिर ये सब जो गुड 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 के साथ ना वो जुड़ा हुआ होता है. दैट इज वाई वी फील एन ऑब्लिगेशन कि नहीं, ये मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा. बट इफ इट इज हिंडरिंग विथ योर दीज प्रायोरिटीज, 1-2 चीजें, तो ऑटोमेटिकली थोड़े टाइम के बाद ना यस बोलने का गुस्सा आने लगता है, व्हाई एम आई सेइंग यस टू एवरीथिंग, एंड दैट एंगर इज नॉट बैड. Okay, so anybody has any doubt specific to the time box that we had made? साले ऐसे मेरे साथ हो रहा है.
Okay, everybody, just for a second, my daughter wants to say hello to everyone. Come jaldi, we are in a session. वो कब से उसको ही हो रहा है, say hello.
Hi.
बस. Her name is Amin for everybody. Rutuja knows, but
That I can understand her curiosity. मैं तो मम्मी की क्लास में without going on the board and teaching something, I wouldn't come back from school. I was what 6, 7 years old. I used to do those things. It's okay. So, any questions related to the time box? Okay.
I was
So
just doing one thing, Rutuja. मैं एक दिन पहले नहीं लिख रही हूँ, मैं उसी दिन मॉर्निंग में लिखती हूँ. Is
उसी
it?
दिन मॉर्निंग में भी चलेगा. I also do that. Most of the time I do
क्योंकि
it.
मेरा ना बहुत अनप्रडिक्टेबल रहता है, बिकॉज एज यू सेड ना समटाइम्स आई एम अलोन एट होम, सो आई हैव टू शिफ्ट माय टाइमिंग्स. कभी ऐसा हो जाता है तो मुझे अगले दिन ही पता चलता है कि सीन क्या रहेगा पूरे दिन का. तो आई यूजुअली गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग लाइक 5:36. तो मेरा वो 1 घंटा तो मैं खुद को देती ही हूँ, तो दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन आई राइट डाउन. बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू क्लैरिफाई इट फ्रॉम यू दैट is it some kind of necessary thing to do it a night before, और अर्ली मॉर्निंग वाला भी ठीक है?
My most like it is up to you to use it anytime. The main thing is कि priorities थोड़ा पहले set हो, like you're doing it very
Yeah,
early in the morning,
of
right?
course that happens, but हाँ
हाँ,
जी.
तो you are doing very early in the morning, so it works. But let's
Yeah.
say अगर कोई आप 5 बजे उठ के कर रहे हो, but let's say कोई है जो 8 बजे उठता है और 9 बजे ऑफिस जाना है, now you can't sit and do that activity.
Yes.
So it works. And for me, मैं most of the time एक रात पहले करती हूँ. But like you said, कभी कभी schedule ही हमें सुबह सुबह पता चलता है. So on those days, even I do it in the morning. I sometimes also do it in the late afternoons. जिस दिन ना मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारा काम pending है, and my brain is going all fired up, so I start and put it down. जैसे ही मैंने वो time box में लिखा, अभी programming हो गई है कि ऋतुजा, things are under control. So it has been that programming. The moment that I see this sheet, there's some kind of calmness coming to me. मैंने उसको इतना use कर लिया है. So this is a game changer. I mean, नवप्रीत ने भी use किया है. We can listen to her experience also. But this thing is a game changer, and it is, इस पे research हुई है. CEOs of very big companies use this. And why do we call it as a time box is because let's say मुझे ना 90 minutes के लिए आई मेक अ टाइट बबल. जैसे नवप्रीत ने बोला, वो 1 घंटा तो मैं खुद को देती ही हूँ. उसमें आप एक्सरसाइज करो, आपकी जो बिगेस्ट प्रायोरिटी है. जैसे आपने 3-4 गोल्स लिखे 2025 के, लेट्स से उनमें से हमने फाइनेंस का गोल कर लिया. उसको अचीव करने के लिए मुझे मे बी लेट्स से यू आर इनटू कोचिंग और यू आर इनटू राइटिंग, तो मुझे वो टाइम लिखने को या फिर कोचिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ स्टडी करने के लिए चाहिए. सो आई ब्लॉक दैट टाइम एंड आई यूजुअली मेक श्योर दैट आई एम नॉट बीइंग डिस्टर्ब्ड. Neither do I look at my phone too much, neither I look at a lot of screens. अगर काम screen पे ही है तो ठीक है, but I make it a very focused time, and that is why it is called a time box. And when you give your mind कि ये हमें 60 minutes में खत्म करना है, there is some kind of direction or guidance. Otherwise, you will keep, if you're studying especially, I like to get so deep into it that I'll just keep studying it 10 times. And ये होता है that we get repeat into that. So that is why it is a time box. And your logical, when you're using the time box, the left side of your brain, and especially the front part of your brain, which is responsible for your cognitive abilities, आपकी smartness, आपकी intelligence, ये उसको बढ़ाता है बहुत ज़्यादा. Okay, so there is a structure that starts to come in your own mind when you use it for a long period of time. मतलब brain के structural changes होने को बहुत time लगता है, but you'll have to use it for that kind of time to get very very used to doing that. I think I've used this for more than a year. When I'm on holidays and all, many use करती if I'm just going around. तब नहीं, but most of the time when I'm working, I use this. Yes, Palak, Hema, you want to ask anything?
the thing is, I'm asking what happens, like, I have to balance the house as well as my profession. So in that case, like, this time box, if the things what I have actually prioritized, and sometimes if I miss out things, how do I really, like, I'm not clear in this.
Yeah. So what you can start with him is that you have your schedule and your routine. The time when you have not so much of your disturbances around, like मतलब लोग होते हैं but उनको you can tell them कि I'm doing this so I don't want to be disturbed. Find a time slot like that and start only with one major priority. Let's say maybe it may be writing or the promotion of your book or something like that. Okay, you start with only one for the moment and then you start to build it. Sometimes it may happen that personal work itna ho gaya, professional goes a little down. That day you can maybe time box two time slots on the
Okay.
days when you want it. जैसे मेरे लिए अगर मंडे बहुत बिजी है and Saturday is a little freer, I can time box more things. So you can make it a little flexible according to you and the people who are already busy with a lot of things, and now you're adding in more into your life. Start with one priority, one simple priority.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Molya, anybody else? You are on mute.
Actually, due to this exercise, our confidence is also increased.
Yes, it is definitely, it increases.
When we do in time things na, as decided, small things also, it increases our confidence.
Yes, it increases. That's very true. Yeah. Yes, Molya? No, you are not. Okay, now I've asked you to unmute. Try now. No, you can type it out, Molly. I'm not able to hear you. Yes, so as Priya was saying, that your confidence increases, the factor of trusting yourself increases. That, I decided that I'll be doing this today and I did this today. So, the biggest secret of building your self esteem and the promises are that you are making and keeping the promises that you make to yourself. I've also written this in my book that if you keep the promises that you make to yourself, then your confidence increases. So these are like the small commitments that you are making over time for yourself. Okay, so for the question that Priya was asking me, and a lot of you might also have that, people are there, they're there to add in masala into our life. So for that, what we are going to do is that we are going to create an energy map which can be a guidance factor for you to navigate through 2025. Okay, so first we are going to pay attention to activities that recharge you. And you can see a beautiful sky over my head in this image, and it's for a purpose that for me, just sky gazing is a very recharging and a relaxing activity, because I just like spaces that are open, that are big. It is like an inspiration to be open minded. So I just made up the meaning in my head. But sky, looking at the sky and the vastness of the sky is very recharging for me. It feels like a small activity that you can do in 2-3 minutes. Okay, then what you can do is that you can find such activities out, literally put a little pressure on your mind to think about these small things, and take 5 minutes to answer these four questions in your own notebook. Okay, activities that drain you, for example, for me it could be scrolling and overthinking and thinking about things 100 times. People who recharge you, people जिनसे बात करके अच्छा लगता है, और is there a certain pattern that recharges you कि ये person ये चीज बोलता है तो अच्छा लगता है, but the same person when he or she says that, I don't like that, so or that is draining for me. Okay, so really tap into your energetic experience and then write. Yeah, कोई कुछ बोल रहा था? Anyone was saying anything? Yeah.
But actually, the people are who are draining you is your family member.
Yes, that can happen. See, right now, let's not get into the judgment of it that, oh, I am saying my family members drain my energy. If they do, then write it down. We're not going to throw them away at all. So, we're just going to see and just see how to use their energy.
Because what happened that Rutuja, when previously our energy matches with them, but as we grow spiritually high level, na, then our energy doesn't matches with it. We are going to the higher vibration, and they are at lower vibration, and that's why mismatching is there.
Yes. So
Means
yeah.
not their fault also, and it's not our fault also, but in energy mismatch is there.
So, see, when will we lose our energy, especially when we are talking about the spiritual stuff? See, the moment when we say that I am doing my spiritual practices and I am becoming a high vibrational person, and somebody is at the lower vibration, and that's why we see a flow of energy is happening,
Hmm.
right? And why is this happening? Because we are making that judgment over them that this person is somewhere lower than me. And we healers also have a savior complex. I want to save this person, I want to raise their energy. Every healer wants to subconsciously raise the other person's energy.
Ah, yes, yes.
The moment that you energetically decide that person has their own life path, they have their own karmas, they have their own way of navigating through life, and those timelines are not in my hands. Even if I use my spiritual energy or any kind of energy to just keep pulling up people, what is going to happen is that automatically I'll go down.
Yes, yes, yes.
That is why I'm very, very careful about this factor, that I use my energy mostly for my clients. Why? Because they're coming with this openness that I also want to rise.
Actually, my affirmation in the 2025 most is that कि I don't want broken souls in my personal life.
So what you can do, you all can start making your energy map. You can start writing. I'll just answer Priya's question by then. That the thing is, you have healing vibes. We also have come from our own broken stories, right? We feel the pain of people, so we are going to attract people who need help in that moment. But the thing is, you have made a great affirmation, but just add in one more sentence that let them come as my clients.
Ah, yes, yes. In professional life, it is okay.
Yes.
Professional life is okay, but
Yeah,
in personal life,
yeah, yeah, I can get that, because I was also doing that. Especially if somebody in my family is feeling bothered about something, I used to feel it's so easy, especially people who are who understand, who are wise. They're like, itni
Mhm.
simple si baat hai, I can give an advice, या मैं fix कर सकती हूँ. Even if I'm a life coach, I sometimes, we feel that I'm not able to help the people that I'm so attached to. Why? Because
Mm.
this fixation comes into play. So when we understand that everybody is going to have their own journey and I don't have to fix it, and this has to be at a very mental level.
Ah, yes, we have not tried to fix their disturb their
Mm,
life pattern.
exactly. We don't have to fix. Okay. We can challenge them. How can you challenge them? You keep vibrating at your vibrations, or let's say if I am finances ki terms mein bhi ho jata hai that one person is earning, one is earning less and more. You inspire people by being your best self. For example, I didn't write my book with an intention कि एक दिन एक हेमा नाम की लेडी होंगी जिन्हें ये इंस्पायर करेगी and then she will write her own book. No, I just wrote for the joy of writing. You go on healing people and doing things in your own work, and if people feel inspired, they will make the changes on their own. If they don't, they have the permission to not be inspired by us. And especially, talking from a little spiritual angle, we have these people who don't look at us like healers, and they look at us like our own parents or partner or somebody, because our spiritual ego shouldn't get boosted. This is something that I recently read, that you shouldn't start thinking कि नहीं
I
अभी
agree with that.
कोई महान बन गया हो ना, इसीलिए कोई ऐसा. और my mom is an example of it. the moment if my ego goes itna bhi na, she is like मैं सब एक दिन वीडियो बनाऊंगी बचपन में what you would be doing and all of that, and I'm like बनाओ एक दिन बनाओ आप वीडियो about
Firstly, I was enter in the spirituality. Now, at that time, spiritual ego was at high my there. But
yeah.
slowly, I understand the let go also. That is, let go of the things, people, and then I come down.
Yes. So people who have written the energy maps and want to start sharing in the chats can start sharing. Priya, you may want to take a moment to write it because we were talking. And जिन्होंने लिखा है वो शेयर कर सकते हैं.
रुजुजा, एक चीज मेरे साथ है कि अ, बहुत सारे टारगेट्स हैं मेरे माइंड में, चलता ही रहता है एज यू नो वी आर एक्वेरियंस, तो थिंग्स आर कीप गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन. सो थिंग्स गेटिंग मैच्ड अप, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा उलझ से जाती है चीजें. अब जैसे टारगेट पर्सनल ड्रीम है, उससे रिलेटेड भी टारगेट्स हैं, और जो मेरे प्रोफेशनल टारगेट्स है वो भी है. अब फॉर एग्जांपल मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि आई एम अ वीडियो एडिटर, and to grow professionally I need to improvise my video editing more. And to improvise my video editing I have to add storytelling in that video editing. I have to learn some new video effects or software more perfectly. So the thing is just we have seen that in the time box that we have to make priorities. For example, मैंने प्रायोरिटी बना ली कि भी आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन माय वीडियो एडिटिंग स्किल, फॉर एग्जांपल लर्निंग सॉफ्टवेयर मोर. तो जो दूसरा चीज है, जैसे आई वांट टू स्टोरी टेलिंग, मैं तभी ऐड कर पाऊंगा जब मुझे स्टोरी टेलिंग के बारे में अच्छे से पता होगा. तो मैंने एक स्टोरी टेलिंग का कोर्स भी ले रखा है. तो जे अगर मैं वीडियो एडिटिंग के स्किल्स पे वर्क करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, तो वो उसको प्रायोरिटी बना दे, तो मेरे दिमाग में वो चलता रहेगा कि भी वो भी मेरी एक प्रायोरिटी है, उसको भी मुझे उस पर वर्क करना है. देन
हाँ.
कि हाउ, और उसके अलावा जैसे मुझे अपने खुद के वीडियोस भी बनाना स्टार्ट करना, तो वो भी एक प्रायोरिटी है. तो अदर प्रायोरिटीज को कैसे इग्नोर करूं, क्योंकि मेरे लिए क्योंकि एक प्रायोरिटी पे फोकस करना है, तो अदर प्रायोरिटीज को अपने को इग्नोर करना ही पड़ेगा, डजंट मैटर हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट दे आर.
यहाँ पे इशू है. देखिए, ओवरऑल आपकी प्रायोरिटी वीडियो एडिटिंग है, ठीक है, प्रोफेशनली. उसके एलिमेंट्स है स्टोरी टेलिंग, उसका एलिमेंट है वीडियो एडिटिंग स्किल्स. सो यू कैन डिसाइड डिफरेंट डेज. इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि दोनों एलिमेंट्स, आप सिर्फ एडिटिंग या सिर्फ स्टोरी टेलिंग से काम नहीं चलेगा, राइट? सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन एलोकेट डिफरेंट डेज फॉर इट. जैसे मंडे को आपने ये किया तो ट्यूसडे को आप ये करोगे. सो मे बी वीक के आप 2 दिन ये कर रहे हो, सीख रहे हो, और 2 दिन वो सीख रहे हो, और 2 दिन ऐसे है जिसमें आप खुद का कंटेंट बना रहे हो. सो जब ये फ्रेम आपके दिमाग में सेट होगी, देन यू कैन गो अहेड एंड वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई कैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट माई डेज. जिस दिन मतलब हम लोग जिस दिन हमारा जो पोस्टिंग होता है वो अगर बहुत ज्यादा वीडियो हैवी नहीं है तो मैं शूटिंग उस दिन कर सकती हूँ, right? So I have different days. For example, Monday ko most of my calendar is filled with sessions. I don't do shootings on Monday कभी भी, क्योंकि वो सेशंस का ही दिन होता है. मैं ट्यूसडे या फिर थर्सडे के दिन शूटिंग मोस्टली करती हूँ ऑफ माय वीडियोस. So like that, we can't ignore, and we have different subjects and multiple things to do. तो हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं उसे. सो हमें क्रिटिकली क्या करना है, हमें सोचने की आदत ही ऐसी डालनी है जो उलझन में ना अटकाए हमें. मतलब जो सुलझाने वाला माइंडसेट होता है ना, वो डेवलप करना है. तो जैसे आपको अभी पता चल गया सर कि ये 2 चीजें 2 अलग दिन करनी है. एंड आवर ब्रेन इज सच अ थिंग, स्पेशली इफ यू गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड वेरी इजीली. आप अभी काम करने बैठे हो, आपका ब्रेन बोलेगा शायद गैस ऑन ही है, शायद फ्रिज का डोर लगा ही नहीं है. सो मे बी आपने लगाया हो, बट देर इज माइंडफुलनेस की कमी है, या फिर बहुत काम हो गया है, या फिर आप इन जनरली ऐसे हो कि आपके थॉट्स की स्पीड बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो यू शुड टेक दिस थिंग एज अ चैलेंज कि मुझे ना हर चीज़ ध्यान से करनी है. भले मैं कम चीज़ें करूँ, भले मुझसे मतलब गलतियाँ हो या जो भी हो, बट मुझे ध्यान लगाकर करना है। ओके, so everybody who feels that I remain in my head a lot, जैसे सर बोल रहे थे कि कुछ-कुछ चलता ही रहता है। So for them this
Exactly.
is very important. Um, and your mind will trick you like that. That thing was more important than what you're doing right now. And your brain will make you get up. But in that time box, वो time box में नहीं उठना, बाकी आप कुछ भी करो. You know, there was a time when I used to worry a lot. तो जब भी कोई वरी आती थी ना इनटू माय स्टडीज या इनटू माय कोचिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, मैं वरी को बोलती थी 6 बजे आना, हम लोग झूले पे बैठ के वही करेंगे। सो माय ओवरथिंकिंग इज ऑन माय स्विंग, यू नो, आई प्ले ऑन द स्विंग एंड आई कीप वरिंग फॉर हाफ एन आवर एंड देन आई एम डन वरिंग एंड तब मैं वापस आ जाती थी। सो आई हैड बुक्ड अ टाइम बॉक्स फॉर माय वरीज कि इस टाइम पे आना, मुझे परेशान नहीं करना बाकी टाइम। सो दैट्स हाउ यू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू योर थॉट्स आल्सो, दैट आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ यू लेटर ऑन। और एक जो चीज़ है, इवन फॉर पीपल हु आर हेडी लाइक मी, जो भूल जाते हैं छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें, कैरी अ नोटपैड अराउंड विथ यू। My father also, you know, he will write in my notepad if I am into a session or कुछ है ना तो वो मेरे notepad पे लिख देंगे। So these things are important to take care of कि ऐसी चीज़ें हैं। And I do the silliest of things, गीज़र ऑन छोड़ देना, ऐसी चीज़ें एक्चुअली मैं बहुत ज़्यादा करती थी। But from the moment that I have adopted this कि मुझे हर चीज़ ध्यान से करनी है, मैं स्लोली भी कर सकती हूँ, कोई मुझे पनिश नहीं करने वाला इफ आई डू इट अ लिटिल स्लोली, देन देयर वाज़ अ ठहराव इन माय लाइफ ऑटोमैटिकली। लाइक मेरी बोलने की स्पीड पहले बहुत ज़्यादा थी, इफ यू सी माय ओल्ड वीडियोज़, अभी वो कम हो गई है, तो ऑटोमैटिकली वो कम हो जाती है।
I recently watched your video, The Conversation to Remember, on
पहली वीडियो
YouTube.
तो यूट्यूब की या
Yeah.
Yeah. So Amolya is asking question, if we miss the schedule, we get anxiety, what to do? Anxiety is a simple thing which is trying to tell you that your life is not in your control and control it. Anxiety is saying कि कुछ भी तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, go and control it. Okay? And what is the reality of life? Certain things will be in your control, certain things will not be in your control. So controlling that you can really, जैसे मैंने मौल्या को I had said one thing that if this is your priority, first complete the priority, then you go do whatever you want. Okay, so अगर जिम जाना मेरी प्रायोरिटी है तो मे बी आई गो टू जिम फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग, या फिर मेरा जो 4 बजे का स्लॉट फ्री रहता है, आई गो एंड कम बैक। कल को मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी फिर यू नो बिकॉज यू नो माई मॉम आस्क्ड मी टू हेल्प इन द किचन, मैं जिम नहीं जा पाई because my mom asked me to go with her to the temple या कुछ भी, I was not able to, because if it is a priority it has to be done. Okay, पूरा schedule नहीं हुआ तो भी चलेगा, that is why I say start with one. Yeah. Yes, Hema, you want to share?
Yeah. The activities that actually recharge me is I like to spend time in nature. I'm a nature lover, and I'm an artist. Actually, I'm a singer too. So whenever possible, either bhajans or whatever songs I love. So it's a God gifted. I've been from my childhood. I've been singing. So that is one thing which anytime I get time, I do that. And that one thing that really is draining me out is whenever I find people talking something ill about anything or anyone, I remove myself from that place only, and I'm not comfortable. That really drains me out. I don't know. And this is not now. When I was young, also, I was not comfortable into any group where it was about anything. You know? That drains me out still. And recharging, I find what actually recharges me is I love to learn. People say इस उम्र में क्या सीखना, इस उम्र में क्या तुमको नया जोश चढ़ा है, अब क्या करना है तुमको, अब तो तुम्हारा मिड एज हो, तो अब तुम्हें ये सब करने की क्या जरूरत है, बच्चे बड़े हो गए, सेटल हो गए हैं, दे सम वो से कि अब क्या जरूरत है, लाइक यू नो
Yeah.
दैट, वो चीजें अब मुझे लगती है कि नहीं यार, जब मुझे करना है तो उम्र की क्या बात है, एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर, दैट इज द रीजन आई सेड आई वांट टू रीस्टार्ट, यू नो, with a new beginning and with a new energy, prioritizing self. That is what I want, to recharge myself and give that space to myself so that I give value to myself and then I can add value to others.
Exactly, and learning keeps you young. And मैंने जितना भी psychology या जो भी पढ़ाई की है, they whatever they say that your life begins at 40, it is true. It is very true. So you get बहुत सारे नए changes होते हैं, and it is like हम लोग बोलते थे new normal. मैंने जब भी किसी का experience सुना है, I have not been to that age, बट जिनका भी एक्सपीरियंस सुना है, जिन्होंने भी ऐसे पर्सपेक्टिव से एम्ब्रेस किया है, लाइक हाउ हिमा इज टेलिंग राइट नाउ, दे आर एबल टू लिव ग्रेसफुली, एंड दे आर इंस्पिरेशंस फॉर पीपल लाइक अस, जिनको फिर या फिर सब लोग डर रहे हैं आज कि हम लोग एक दिन 40 क्रॉस करेंगे, एक दिन 30 क्रॉस करेंगे, जैसे कि वो कोई क्राइम है. इट इज अ थिंग टू बी सेलिब्रेटेड, एंड थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग दैट विद अस. वी आर लर्निंग अ लॉट फ्रॉम इट. Yes.
I also want to add कि people call me inspirational Hema. So whenever I start, I'm going to start the channel by inspirational Hema only.
That's a nice name. That's a nice name. So who wants to share their energy map? किसी को करना है share? Yes,
You
Navpreet.
know about me otherwise. Yes. So the activities that recharge me, exercise, dancing, singing, and painting, and just being around people who with whom I can really be me. Activities that drain me, doing monotonous things daily, which I usually have to do, like get up, cook, eat, wash clothes, dry them up, put them in the cupboards. Oh, so
Yeah.
but ठीक है. Then people who recharge me, uh, those are very enthusiastic. They take
Yeah.
life as life. They really recharge me, and I look up to that kind of company. And yes, I love those kind of people who are, I mean, take life head on. Then people who drain me, fake people.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Really nice. So we'll take one last energy map if anybody wants to share.
For me, energy, that activities that recharge me, all the things that are related to creativity and artistic things. For example, writing poetry, and you suggested me to fill those books, coloring books, all those kind of things, writing and all those things make gives me good energy. And my energy drainer activity is overthinking. And today I've uh, listened to a video by Jim Rohn.
Hmm.
He said that sometimes when you talk about your targets to someone, then you put so much energy on talking that you don't have enough energy to take action on that. Exactly like that, my overthinking is my energy draining activity, and
Yeah.
overthinking takes so much energy from me that I'm not able to do the activities that recharge my energy. And
Yes.
people who recharge me are the ones I am emotionally very amazingly connected to the people. And talking to them is one of the activities that recharge me. And people who drain my energy, as Navpreet said, fake people who don't have that authenticity, they who don't walk their talks.
Yeah. So we have energy maps now, and these energy map is a guide for you. And what we discussed right now, like Priya was telling, whenever we will try, when you find out what kind of people are draining your energy, specifically the patterns, you will have to change that pattern. For example, this trying to fix people's energy or trying to subconsciously bring them up, which Priya and I were discussing, is one of the issues that we have. Subconsciously not, learning, like consciously making a choice that I'm not going to give an advice unless I'm asked for, uh, you know or anything that you have said, like fake people. So moving away from fake people, you have sensed fakeness, rather than just going and trying to sense making them more authentic. Just create a distance, which we usually do. And that this helps you to just keep your energy intact. And कुछ लोग हैं जिनके हम बहुत पास जाकर उनकी मदद करते हैं, और कुछ लोग हैं जिनकी हम लोग बहुत दूर से ही मदद कर सकते हैं by staying away. So this is also something that we need to take care of. Priya is saying to gain knowledge uh, is the food of my soul. Definitely. Unconditional love and self care, creative activities, intelligent talk with people. Yeah, this is also one of my, energy increasing activities. Talking about very, very big ideas, not in terms of visual thinking, but let's say some spirituality related thing or something like that. Open minded people, yeah, they recharge me. And energy draining, yes, gossiping is energy draining. I only gossip with my brother. With uske sath, it's not energy draining. And yeah, fake people. So we see a pattern, it's being repeated. So these things are there. Now coming to the most important slide of today's presentation, and this is a research that is being done by Dr. Shweta. Okay, she has spoken extensively on YouTube about the researches that she is doing. She has scanned a lot of brains. The brains have been put, like people have been put under MRI machines, and they have scanned the brains of high performers, and they are trying to find out the patterns which are present in high performers. So one thing that they found out of the research is that we saw these brain lobes, right? These brain lobes are quite symmetrical. What do we mean by symmetrical? They are balanced in its way. How do you know it is balanced? When you know when to use logic and when to use emotion, and you do that very balanced, in a very balanced way most of the time, then your brain is balanced. Okay. But if it is something that the logic is just taking over, you're going keep on doing the analysis, nothing is coming out, or you're getting emotional, all of that is happening in the life. So only one side of the brain is just taking over everything. Okay, so we may have dominance. How we can write with one hand better. Okay, so because you have used that one hand again and again, you can write it better. But when you use both the lobes of the brain, especially to children, things are given to them to play with, where they can use both their hands, due to which their neurological networks are made better. So this is very important. And to keep your brain age healthy, you can also start to write with your non-dominant hand. Like I can write with my left hand. It's not as beautiful as right hand, but I can also write with my left hand. It's readable, very well readable. So this is something that you can do for your regeneration. How Hema was telling that इस एज में क्या नया सीखना, बहुत मजा आता है. It is nothing out of productivity, but बहुत मजा आता है just to use a different faculty of your body. I do that जब भी टाइम मिलता है, I write with my left hand. तो ये सिमेट्री उनको दिखी. फिर कोहेरेंस दिखा. जैसे if a problem is being presented to me, I can approach the problem logically or emotionally. But coaching में ऐसा होता है कि you will have to approach it with both the things, with your presence, right? So ये दोनों चीजें उनको दिखी in their research. अब ये अचीव कैसे करते हैं is the question. ओके, ये तो बहुत बड़े बड़े मशीन से एनालाइज होता है कि क्या हुआ एग्जैक्टली ब्रेन में, बट अचीव कैसे करते हैं? सो देयर इंस्टीट्यूट हैज गिवन दिस एक्रोनिम which is movers. Okay, so M is for meditation. What is meditation? In simple words, if you have learned to pay attention to your breath, okay, and when you are meditating and your attention wanders, you are able to get it back to your breath. It is meditation in its simplest form. There are hundreds kind of meditation, but ये सबसे simple है और बहुत effective है. Next is oxygenation. Now we underestimate the need for oxygen that our brain has. Okay, and people who are anxious especially, जिनको लगता है कि उन्हें बहुत एंजाइटी होती है, आप कभी आपका ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न नोटिस करना. Our breaths are very shallow. We are breathing and panting. And now whenever I find myself in that place, I just come to my room for 5 minutes. I just take very deep breaths and I remind my body to calm down. Okay, so people who usually feel very anxious can do this. Simple जो भी आपको आते हैं pranayam, you can put on YouTube कि how to do the basic pranayam. There's one, anulom vilom, ऐसा आपने देखा होगा. People do this. A simple practice. If you do that for 5-10 minutes and you keep on increasing that, that is oxygenation. It's very essential for your productivity and your focus and your brain, but it's very underestimated. Then is visualization. What is visualization? Visualization means now we are talking about 2025. Okay, but you visualize yourself doing it, the actions that you want to take. Let's say if I've written my travel goals, okay, I visualize myself going and traveling to that place. When it is happening in 3D, your brain doesn't know if it's actually happening or you are imagining. It is the same thing for your brain, at least. So using your power of visualization is like creating something in reality. Okay, so even if I was a very small child, I didn't know why I would just imagine myself talking on stage and talking to people, and I would play teacher and all of that, and now I'm playing it in real life. So I did it very innocently. How many of you have played teacher in your childhood?
Yes, I am also Rutuja. I am also.
Yes, we are Swalia. Even Hema, and especially when I used to see my mother all the time like that. So this is there. So what you imagine, you end up playing. And people ask me, how do you know this at this age? How do you know? Sometimes I exactly start speaking like my mother and talking like her. So subconsciously, because you've played it so many times in your mind, your brain doesn't feel like you are in a foreign place. Because now I recently went to an institution. It was a very big event to give a speech. I was very nervous till the moment I was on stage. But the moment I took the mic in my hand, my nervousness was gone. I was laughing and joking and giggling with everybody as if, I've always come on the stage. So visualization has that kind of power. And some people are not able to visualize the image in 3D. Like now when I'm talking, I can imagine myself speaking on stage. For some people it is not possible because that lobe of the brain has not been used. ऐसा नहीं कि आपके अंदर कोई डिफेक्ट है, बट आप उसको यूज कर सकते हो. you know you can actually ask, give yourself the instructions to visualize, या फिर आप कोई ऑडियो यूज कर लो. Exercising, we all know the importance. Everybody.
Rutuja,
Yeah.
here anchoring is also useful.
Anchoring, personally for me, anchoring I have never used for myself, but जब हमें NLP सिखा रहे थे, that time we had used it and it works.
Ah, yes. For me, it is works. That's
Yeah, so it really works. For example, for some people anchoring क्या होता है कि आप किसी एक इमोशन को बॉडी के किसी एक पार्ट के साथ एसोसिएट कर लेते हो. Okay, so you can anchor your pride and confidence in your wrist. So next time when you hold your wrist, आपको confidence feel होता है. You anchor your emotion of love यहाँ पे, तो फिर आपको वो feel होता है. But मैं somatics practice करती हूँ प्रिया. So what I've seen, just sharing an observation, कि लोगों को ना कुछ already उनका उधर anchored होता है. मतलब आउट ऑफ लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस. तो सबसे पहले आई हैव सीन एज अ कोच, पहले उनकी थोड़ी क्लियरिंग करनी पड़ती है कि क्या है, फिर अगर हम एंकरिंग करें तो इट वर्क्स.
okay.
So it's matlab these nuances I have learned after coaching people. So yeah, but anchoring is one of a very good techniques in NLP that works. So then exercise, that we all know, I will not talk about it, but it's very beneficial to to put all the hormones, good hormones out. Especially जब बोलते हैं ना, सब लोग when I took my mother to the gym, everybody was like, अभी आप ये lift करोगे, ऐसा करोगे, ऐसा बोल रहे थे. But the mind body coordination that is built, आप जिम जाओ, चाहे आप घर पे वर्कआउट करो, आप योगा करो, आप कुछ भी करो, वो जो पूरा प्रोसेस है उसमें माइंड बॉडी कोऑर्डिनेशन बनता है. And most of your brain is being used when you work out. So this is something that I have observed. Now reading and scribbling, these two are very important activities. Now everybody who has a problem that you're too much on the phone, या बहुत ज़्यादा screens आप देख रहे हो रात को, you're not able to stop scrolling. I used to have this issue. What I did is that I replaced my nighttime from screen to books. I have books near my pillow, so I just open any of my books and I'm reading the books and I fall asleep. वरना मैं मुझे नींद ही नहीं आ रही थी, because I was so used to screens because working in IT, and मतलब compulsively I used to pick up my phone for no reason. So that is something that wherever you feel कि कुछ positive add हो सकता है, add reading. Okay, the moment you get up, the worst thing to do is to look at your phone. Okay, and if we are compulsive, we will do that. So again, what I did is, I kept a book, और फिर रात को ही मैंने रखी थी कि सुबह उठ के मैं ये पढ़ूंगी. And pehle mere alarms, I used to snooze alarms like anything. But from the moment that I've replaced this morning and night time with books, so my life has become better. So you can add in reading wherever you can. And then scribbling is actually, just, let's say you're very angry about somebody today, very angry, and you want to say all the bad words that you know in the world, which is okay. You can take a pen, paper, write everything down. Don't look at what you've written, tear it out, throw it in the dustbin, or burn it out, but let it out. And especially emotions like anger, they're very physical in nature. Okay. So you can find out healthy ways of taking anger out. But scribbling is, writing all that you've felt is not good for your system, and you want to put it out, you scribble it out. And I have also seen the times when I'm avoiding my difficult emotions or my pain, I will not want to write. I will not journal. And now that I have caught my pattern, I make myself write. I make myself write everything that is coming to me. And maybe later on I tear it off. But these are the things that they have recorded in their study and their research institute has given. And in the upcoming program that I am doing, I'm actually going to make people do this during the program. Like for all the days that we are going to meet, we are going to do everything, because that is the problem. See, now this video was watched by so many people out there. Okay, and I was doing majority of the things that were present in this thing, but I just got serious about certain things, practicing it again, like meditation and all of those things. So that accountability factor is missing a lot of times. कि अगर दो तीन लोग इन्वॉल्व है, सब लोग काम कर रहे हैं, देन जाकर पीपल स्टार्ट टू ऑल्सो हैव द मोटिवेशन कि थोड़ा सा हम काम करते हैं. ओके, सो मोवर्स एक्रोनिम इज वेरी बेनिफिशियल. और ये सब जो चीज़ें है ना, ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेती है. एक्सरसाइज माइट टेक अ लिटिल मोर टाइम, बट ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू कैन लिटरली डू इट इन लाइक 5 minutes. एक स्टोरी पढ़ने में 10 मिनट लगता है, and you automatically fall asleep. Okay, so now that we also have evidence on these things that they help you um, understimulate your brain. The problem is that our brain is overstimulated. मतलब सोचो कि एक लैपटॉप है और मैं सारे बटन्स रैंडमली प्रेस कर रही हूँ. दिस इज हैपनिंग विद अस because we are living in a social media era. There's so many people who are talking to us continuously, inputs आते रहते हैं. और इसीलिए ना कुछ लोग लेट तक जागते हैं, क्योंकि रात में शांति होती है and their brain feels very relaxed. इसीलिए कुछ लोग सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं, because this is necessary for them. Again, when I'm talking about sleep and focus, we don't understand one thing, that our focus needs deep sleep. What we say is that चलो मतलब अगर productivity मतलब क्या 5 बजे उठना 6 बजे उठना, not necessary. A lot of times it means you are sleeping well enough to focus, because if you haven't slept well तो आप focus नहीं कर सकते. तो especially winter का जब time आता है ना, I ask my clients, don't be so hard on yourself, sleep a little extra. And if I have worked a little extra, I also sleep a little extra. और फिर थोड़ा आप लेट उठ के आप काम करो, एंड देयर इज नथिंग शेमफुल अबाउट इट, बिकॉज आप फोकस के साथ नहीं करोगे तो फिर अगेन यू आर इनटू दैट हसल एनर्जी, कॉफी पी रहे हो, चाय पी रहे हो, एंड देन यू आर पुशिंग योरसेल्फ. सो instead of that, sleep half an hour extra and all of those things. But fresh mind जो है वो आपका 30-40 मिनट्स में काम कर देता है, जो 2 घंटे 3 घंटे लगते हैं करने में. Okay, so sleep, your downtime, your creative time, your reading time, they do that kind of beautiful things. And that is why we want to have these slow morning routines. या अगर morning नहीं होता है, आपका काम बहुत difficult है, तो आप रात को slow routines कर लो, but ये बहुत ज़रूरी है to be involved into your routine. Like I said, that focus development is your deep sleep and your deep sleep quality. And the movers acronym, if you use, your sleep quality would improve definitely. And then this tight bubble that we spoke about, just say when I time box now, I usually book a 75 minutes or 90-minute slot. और अगर आप न्यू स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, you're just starting, then you can start with a 30-minute slot. And as I told you, your mind will give you reasons to get up. You can get up, get back to your seat, but don't leave that task completely on the table कि नहीं ये छोड़ दिया मैंने. जैसे there were a lot of activities that were going on, but I had to make this PPT that I'm showing to you all. So this morning, the first thing that I did after getting up was reading, and the moment that I finished reading, सब लोग उठने के पहले मैंने PPT बना दी थी. अगर नहीं बनाती, I know it was going to be a long day. My brother went back to his college, so we were packing his bags और सब कुछ हो रहा था. मुझे पता था इसके बीच में मेरा सबसे important काम नहीं होगा और फिर मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आएगा और I will be very anxious that I did not finish it. So I just end up finishing it in the starting period of the morning. So this is what I had for all of you. Now, if you have any questions, you can share and ask those questions.
Rituja, thank you so much for this wonderful session, as always. And abhi I'll have to leave, though
Yeah,
I
sure.
don't have any questions, but it was wonderful listening to so many different insights that you have shared today.
Thanks,
And
Nafu.
I apply most of them. I am doing most of them, but yes, there is always something new to learn. That's why I love being in your sessions. So as I get time, whenever I get time, sometimes I do miss. I apologize for that, but whenever I get time, I definitely make it a point to attend.
Yes, thank you so much. Thanks for coming. And
Yeah.
yeah, you
So
can.
today
Yeah.
I am attending your session with my new laptop.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah.
You have to give us a treat on many things.
ओ बस जॉब एक बार हो जाए ना, फिर उसके बाद ट्रीट्स ही ट्रीट्स, एनी टाइम आई एम ओपन. चलो बाय बाय एवरीबॉडी, एंड इट वाज रियली मीटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू. पलक, आई डोंट रिमेंबर एवरीबॉडीज नेम. स्वालिया आई नो, श्याम सर आई नो, पलक इज न्यू टू मी, आई मीन आई गेस हेमा मैम इज न्यू टू मी, एंड वन मोर है ना. सो इट वाज नाइस इंटरेक्टिंग विद ऑल ऑफ यू. बाय एंड सी यू.
Yes. 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 So anybody has any other questions, koi doubts, anything?
मेरा बस एक कैजुअल डाउट है
Hmm.
कि जैसे लोग कहते हैं कि नींद आ रही होती है
Hmm.
तो ड्रिंक कॉफी और टी, नींद नहीं आएगी, नींद उड़ जाएगी. बट मेरे साथ ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. ऐसा रियल में होता है या नहीं?
So the thing is, if you are used to that amount of stimulant, चाहे वो कॉफी हो या चाय हो, अगर आपकी आदत पड़ चुकी है कि आप 2-3 बार चाय पीते हो, फिर उसका इफेक्ट चला जाता है. बट ऐसा है कि लेट्स से आई रेयरली हैव ब्लैक कॉफी, बट अगर मैंने ब्लैक कॉफी पी है तो आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी. स्पेशली मैं जिस दिन मुझे जिम जाना है और वर्कआउट करना है बट मेरे अंदर एनर्जी नहीं है, ओनली दैट डे आई टेक ब्लैक कॉफी बिकॉज इट्स समथिंग न्यू फॉर माई ब्रेन, मोर स्टिम्युलेटिंग फॉर माई ब्रेन. तो वो करता है. बट अगर आप उसमें शुगर डालते हैं, आप बहुत ज़्यादा शुगर डालते हैं, फिर वो चीज़ें वैसे काम नहीं करती जैसे लोग बताते हैं कि नींद उड़ जाती है. किसी किसी के साथ ऐसा होता है कि उनको कॉफ़ी चाय पी के ना और नींद आती है. सो इट इज डिफरेंट.
मैं जैसे मर्जी कॉफी पी लूं. ब्लैक कॉफी तो मैंने आज तक नहीं पी, बट बिल्कुल लो शुगर वाली भी पी लूं, जैसे डबल ट्रिपल पाउच डाल के भी, तो भी मुझे ऐसा नहीं है कि भी नींद उड़ जाएगी. मुझे वही नींद वाला टाइम शाम को 9:30-10 बजे के करीब बस
सर
सोना है.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. फिर क्यों आप नींद उड़ाना चाहते हैं? पीपल आर पेइंग पीपल एंड पेइंग फॉर पिल्स सो दैट दे कैन स्लीप. अगर आपकी स्लीप साइकिल अच्छी है तो आप चाय कॉफी पी के उससे क्यों उसको खराब करना चाहते हैं? सो एक्चुअली में देन आई पर्सनली डोंट रिकमेंड स्टिमुलेंट्स. मुझे पसंद है chai coffee, but I will not say that you should start to incorporate it into your routines just to feel energetic. I rarely have black coffee before going to the gym क्योंकि उसका अगर आप रेगुलरली यूज करोगे इफेक्ट खत्म हो जाएगा. वरना अपने इंडियंस वुड बी सो एनर्जेटिक. कितनी चाय पीते हैं हम लोग दिन भर. तो दैट
मैं
इज.
मैंने तो चाहे तो 5-6 साल हो गए छोड़े हुए को.
यस.
Rutuja, I want to ask one thing. Okay, I have faced a lot of problem after losing my parents. Okay, where to drop my emotions,
Hmm.
and because I have only trust on my parents, and I was sharing with them only, and
Hmm.
after that I feel a lot of emotional suppressed problem.
Hmm. Suppression problems.
Ah, yes, yes.
Yes, I have actually, seen this. When you are losing the people that were your confidants, to whom you share all of this, so that can feel like, where now do I share? Because these were the places. And there we also have to look at what is our limiting beliefs when it comes to trusting people. Because now you will have to trust new people, build relationship with new people, right, around you. सो उससे रिलेटेड आपके थॉट्स क्या है, आप चेक इन कर सकते हो, लाइक नॉट ड्यूरिंग दिस सेशन बट खुद से, दैट व्हाट इज इन माय बिलीफ सिस्टम, डू आई बिलीव दैट पीपल टेक डिसएडवांटेज, मेरा जनरल बिलीफ क्या है, और हैव आई बीन टॉट कि किसी को कुछ शेयर नहीं करना चाहिए वरना लोग आपके इमोशंस का गलत फायदा उठाते हैं. सो देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ लिमिटिंग बिलीफ दैट बिल्ड स्केप्टिसिज्म, मतलब शक पैदा करने वाले बिलीव्स होते हैं. तो ये जो शक पैदा करने वाले बिलीव्स है, उनको आपको देखना होगा. बिकॉज दे से दैट व्हेन यू लूज योर पेरेंट्स, इट्स लाइक द बिगेस्ट प्रोटेक्टिव शील्ड इज मिसिंग, ऐसा लगता है हमें, in our feeling. So to
Hmm.
bring back that protective shield, we will have to change this belief system into healthier beliefs. And उसके लिए सबसे अच्छा, I feel, people who are into this phase, like Hema was also sharing, कि her father was sick and how she felt. आपके सर्कल्स बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, जैसे ग्रीफ सर्कल्स होते हैं जहाँ पे लोग
Hmm.
सिमिलर एक्सपीरियंसेस से गए हैं. तो ये कम्युनिटी में बहुत हीलिंग होती है. एंड दोज पीपल, दे ऑल्सो डोंट शेयर, क्योंकि उनको आपका पेन पता है. जैसे अगर आप
हाँ.
हम सबके साथ अभी शेयर कर रहे हो, वी आर मोस्टली ऑन एम्पथेटिक पीपल. हम किसी को ये नहीं बताएंगे ऐसे मजाक करके कि अरे प्रिया पता है क्या बोल रही थी. वी विल नॉट डू दैट, बिकॉज ऑल एवरीबडी हियर आर सेंसिटिव. सो यू कैन एनर्जेटिकली, जैसे आपको थोड़ा एनर्जी समझ में आता है लोगों का, तो जो इनसेंसिटिव है ना, उनको थोड़ा हम साइड में रख सकते हैं. बट जिनको सेंसिटिविटी है अबाउट ग्रीफ, जिनको सेंसिटिव, जिन्होंने खुद भी दे हैव बीन थ्रू ग्रीफ, दोज.
हाँ, actually, I have done get the therapy session, and then
Yes.
I feel okay.
Yeah, so sometime, we will have to take professional support for some period of time. मतलब 1-2 साल के लिए, ऐसा नहीं कि हमेशा ही. बट कभी कभी कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती है जो जो मतलब जो लोग जिन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया ना, उन्हें समझ ही नहीं आ सकती. दैट इज वाई प्रोफेशनल हेल्प इज सो
And
गुड.
means professional help is non-judgmental, not fear with fear, or not with insecurity. As we share with people, they are bouncing back insecurities, fear, or their judgment on us, and this makes more uncomfortable to us.
Yes, because people are not equipped with the tools. मैं भी
Hmm.
यही बोलती हूँ अपने sessions में, that don't expect your family members to be your therapist or your coaches or your
Hmm.
healer, because they are not equipped with the tools to handle what comes up, when you're sharing an experience as deep as grief. So that is why, people are like, नहीं ठीक हो जाएगा, नहीं कुछ नहीं, आप सब, you are strong. They say
Hmm.
everything that they are not supposed to say. तो वैसा होता है. बट डेफिनेटली यू कैन लुक एट दोज थिंग्स. यस वालेहा.
मैम वो जो टाइम बॉक्स आपने बताया था, मैंने अगर मेरी प्रायोरिटी सेट कर ली तो उसके बाद मुझे वो टाइमिंग वहाँ लिख रहा है इतने टाइम में ख़त्म करना है, क्योंकि वहाँ टाइमिंग का एक स्लॉट बताया है.
हाँ, टाइमिंग में आपको लिखना है. जैसे अगर मैं टाइम बॉक्स वाली स्लाइड शेयर करूँ, तो अगर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है दैट आई हैव टू स्टडी रिलेटेड टू कोचिंग, तो कितने बजे करूँगी मैं? यू विल मेक अ बॉक्स ओवर हियर एट 3 टू, लेट्स से यू विल डू 3 टू 4. तो ये जो बॉक्स है, इसके इसके रिलेटेड आप एक बॉक्स बनाओगे आसपास, और इसके बॉक्स के अंदर लिखोगे दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू एट दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम.
ओके, तो मुझे मतलब प्रूफ मिल जाएगा कि मैं कर सकती हूँ, तो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. ऐसा रेगुलर मुझे करना है इसको.
देखो, कॉन्फिडेंस कभी भी एक्शन के पहले नहीं आता. लिखने से आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा. कॉन्फिडेंस हमेशा एक्शन करने के बाद आएगा. शेड्यूलिंग
ओके.
सिर्फ आपके ब्रेन के काम को आसान करती है.
हाँ नहीं वही ये बना के मैं एक्शन लूँ, उसके बाद मुझे वो करते रहना है तो मुझे समझ में आएगा, ऐसा आप बोलना चाहते हो?
यस एग्जैक्टली, मैं यही बोलना चाहती हूँ।
ओके, थैंक यू।
So we are actually starting a new batch of Growth Reset 30. It is a holistic development program. So I will just share the details for the people. जो हमने movers discuss किया है ना, this is the implementation over the next 30 days. So we are going to start from the 4th of January. What are we going to discuss? We are going to discuss what stops your growth. So we discussed it at a surface level, but we are going to go quite deeper into it. So, how do you find your confidence back? Next is the secret of making money and attracting abundance towards you. So, there would be some deep healing sessions that would be done in a small group setting, and understanding your emotional experience. मतलब हर एक जो इमोशन है आपके सिस्टम में वो क्या कर रहा है, what is the role of that emotion, how do you set boundaries, and how do you honor your own emotional experience. We're going to learn that. Then comes awakening your inner authority, मतलब especially the things that feel difficult, जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा फाइटर का रोल प्ले करना होता है तो आप कैसे करोगे. तो it's overall coaching your mindset over these 8 sessions that we will be doing. So there are 4 weeks. We will be meeting twice a week and we'll be having a group session. There is a complimentary one-on-one sessions, and this is a holistic development program. मतलब हर एक छोटे छोटे एस्पेक्ट के आपके लाइफ के, स्पेशली योर रिलेशनशिप, योर इंटरनल कॉन्फिडेंस, योर मनी मेकिंग एबिलिटी, हम इन तीनों एस्पेक्ट्स पर काम करेंगे ड्यूरिंग दिस program. Now there is some kind of like all the things that supports a human growth, something that I have included. So this would be on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I have kept this time because I was requested कि कोई ऐसा time रखो जिस पे especially homemakers और जो mothers है वो attend कर सके, तो हमने ये time decide किया है. You also get a free single session to work with me on a personal issue that you're facing in that particular session. Okay. Or एक optional thing that I am going to do is that we are going to do every Monday to Friday morning meditation circles. Now there are some people जिनके लिए time ठीक है वो आ सकते हैं. For some people I understand that they can't come, and what we are going to do is we are going to meditate. Okay, so there ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm going to be some guru और फिर मैं सिखाऊंगी meditation कैसे करते हैं. We will be playing maybe a guided meditation sometimes. अगर वो somatic healing का है, मतलब emotional healing का, तो I will guide the meditation. तो उस टाइम पे different days will be doing different kinds of meditation, क्योंकि जो मूवर्स का एम है दैट विल बी टेकन केयर, बिकॉज मुझे पता है इवन आफ्टर टेलिंग अ लॉट ऑफ अस विल बी नॉट सिटिंग इन मेडिटेशन फॉर 5 minutes. So for this half an hour we'll be learning to focus on everything that comes up. ओके, तो आपने अगर योगा में आपने अगर चक्रा हीलिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट सुने हैं, तो ये जो मॉर्निंग मेडिटेशन है ये उससे रिलेटेड रहेगा. इट वुड बी बेस्ड ऑन द एनर्जी सिस्टम्स इन योगा. Okay, so this is a group coaching program and we have a early bird price and then we have a price after 31st of December. So हम 4th से start कर रहे हैं and this is a program. I just wanted to share the information. अगर आपको ये join करना है तो most of you have my number. If you don't, then you can ask me. I'll just share number in the chat and then we will work together if this is something that's suiting your needs. So this is what we are doing at the Self Leadership Academy. अगर आपको कोई भी questions है about the program, about the work that we are doing or everything that we discussed today, you can ask.
Teacher, I have one question. In your community, I had seen that you are coming up with a program where you will be guiding the people to become life coach. Like I want to now start, I said restart again, and because I'm not good at social media at all, our age is not the right age to be on